Hi, I'm Sarah. This is how to design a kitchen lighting plan. Let's get into it. The kitchen isn't just where we cook. It's also where we eat, catch up, do homework, and sometimes even work from home. That's why your lighting needs to be just as versatile as the space itself. The key is layering different types of lighting to suit the way you use your kitchen every day. Before you start thinking about light fittings, it's a good idea to map everything out. A bit of planning up front saves time, money, and avoids last-minute changes. Use paper or a simple floor planner app. Include everything such as benches, the island, appliances, the sink, windows, and doors. This gives you a clear top-down view of how the space flows. Now you're ready to plan your general lighting. Downlights are a solid choice for even coverage across the space. Just make sure they're spaced to light up benches and walkways, not just the center of the ceiling. Next, mark your main work zones. These are the areas where you prep food, cook, wash up, or even sit down to do work. These are your task zones, and they'll need focused, practical lighting. LED strip lights under overhead cabinets are a great option. They're discreet, easy to install, and they light up your workspace without casting shadows. For island benchtops, use directional downlights or adjustable fittings to focus light when you're working. They can angle light exactly where it's needed, giving you more flexibility in larger or open plan spaces. Now for accent lighting. This is your chance to add personality and highlight design features. Think pendant lights over an island, dining table, or breakfast bar. Strip lighting inside glass front cabinets, or even lighting under the island to create a floating effect. To make the most of your lighting plan, put your lights on separate switches so you can control each layer individually. Dimmers are a great addition too, giving you flexibility to go from full brightness during cooking to a softer mood for entertaining. If you want even more control, consider smart lighting so you can set up scenes and save your favorite combinations. It's also worth thinking about natural light. If you're renovating or building, adding a skylight or enlarging a window can brighten up your kitchen during the day and help reduce your reliance on artificial lighting. And finally, always choose light fittings that are safe and rated for use in the kitchen environment, especially around heat and moisture. And there you have it. If you like this video, check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your kitchen reno with confidence.